on the screen here. So I'm going to be sharing my entire screen. I'll be sharing my entire screen, so you get to see everything. So that is my Bob. I've already opened my browser. This is my browser. This is my Bob browser. That's the browser that comes along with Bob. So I will just go to PortSwigger because I'll go to PortSwigger, then I'll log in for the PortSwigger or to the PortSwigger account. Please just give it a few minutes. It's going to. I'll log into the account then, because I need to. This is the browser I want to use, and alongside my Bob suit. So I'm going to use the browser that is embedded inside Bob suit. Please, Emerson, you can mute your mic. Okay, so I'll go to the first page, which is login. Please just follow what I'm doing one after the other. I will try to move as fast as I can. Password is very long. Okay, pardon me. I'll share this. I'll just share a section of the screen, so you can see just my Chromium browser there. So I want copy username and the password there. So put in my username. Now the password. Very long. I can't type it. I have to copy and paste it. Password. Okay. Okay. Copy it. So I go back to my Chromium and I paste. Now, for the sake of those of you that maybe you don't know how I navigated through PortSwigger the other time, this is just like walkthrough. So my username and my password again, then I'll go to that particular site or that particular module of what we are learning, which is called authentication vulnerability. So now I've logged in. I'll go to Academy. Click Academy. So that's where you want to. Let's say you want to go more detailed. You want to go more more detailed than what we are doing here. That's about it. So now just click on learning path. At this stage, when you get to this stage, you can always do anything you want to do. So I'll just Control F, authentication. So authentication vulnerability. I click resume. No, view progress. Either view progress or resume, anyone. So now we are in a lab. We are in a lab. It's resumed from where we were before. So resume learning. So now you can see it now. Access the lab. Please, at this stage, you need to pay attention. You need to pay attention to it. Please, okay. Additionally, I would share my entire screen with you. Now, what do we do? We go to this account. We want to try to log in. No, before we even go to account, they should have given us instruction now. Boom. Let's go back. They said we need to read the instruction to know what we are dealing with. This lab is vulnerable to username enumeration and password brute force attacks. It has an account with a predictable username and a password, which can be found in the following word list. We don't know what the account, we don't know what the username is, we don't know what the password is. But they've already given us a list. They created a list for us. You get what we want to do is we want to brute force the login page. We want to brute force it, which is something you can do on practically any website. Practically any website, unless if there's MFA there. That's multi-factor authentication. So let's download the username list and we'll download the password list. You can copy. He said you can copy and paste the following list to Bob Intruder to help you solve authentication lab. Okay, you can copy and paste it, right? So let's go back. Let's go back. I was thinking we'll have to download the list. We're not downloading the list. Let's go back. Let's go back. So that's ready. Okay. Do all authentication lab. So we'll deal with the first one. Okay. So this is the stuff. This is stuff, right? So let's so to solve the lab, enumerate a valid username and force this username's password, then access the account page. So we come to this place. This is this thing. You go to my account. So the assumption is that you want to log in, right? For the my account, it's giving us what? It's giving us username and it's giving us what? Password. That's username and password field, right? So what do we do here? What we will simply do is we provide we don't know the username, we don't know the password, right? So we provide any username and any password. So let's put Boniface, Boniface. Then password, let's put 1345, 12345. It's obviously wrong, right? So we should not log in yet. What do? We put on our intercept. We put on our intercept. Where is that thing? Intercept on. Intercept on. So we go back to the page and we do what? We log in. It's not going to log in, obviously. It's not going to log in. Now we come back to our Bob. What? We look for that post request. Can you see? This is the post request. Is the HTTP what if it's calm down? This is like HTTP type request. Direction is a request. Method is a post. We know it. So what do? We can check it out. Let's check it out. Can you see? I need to be very sure it is what I'm looking for. Exactly. If you can see it, username is Boniface, password is 135. Don, please confirm if you can see this thing. Don, confirm if you can see this thing. Username.
Yeah, I can see, but
Boniface, password 135.
But it's kind of blurry here. But I can see what it's showing us. The password is up there. 12345.
It's not
It's not blurry from my end though, but
Christiana, what did you say, please?
yeah. Okay, I said it's not blurry from my
I didn't
end.
get
He
what
said
did
it
you
was
say?
blurry. He said it wasn't very clear, like it's not, it's blurry. And I said my side, it's not. That's what I was just trying to confirm.
Okay, thank you. So now that we've seen this thing, what do? We have to send this into what? We have to send this into intruder. We have to send this into intruder. You remember that time I was talking about the different features that we have? I called it tab. I called it tabs the other time. So we'll send it to tab. You can use Control I. You can use Control I, or you right click and you just go to intruder. Send to what? Intruder. Do I send it to intruder? Okay, yeah. Intruder is already showing yellow. They're showing yellow, so I click on it. It means there's something sweet for us there. It's a post request. We already know that. I know I didn't explain all these things, but you can always look at it and read them up. The kind of browser that I use, I think it wrote it somewhere. Mozilla 5.0. You can see the browser, the server. What's the operating system, Windows, and so on and so on. You can read all these things yourself, please. You understand what they mean. So now our point is that we want to just attack the login page. We want to brute force the login page. We want to penetrate the login page. So what do we do? Now, this guy is yellow. Is this yellow? Yellow or brown? This one is yellow or brown. This is the cookie session. We are not dealing with cookies now. We are not stealing cookies for now. Just let's leave this one. We are dealing with this guy. Now, what do we do? What do we do? We are going to set payload. First of all, we want to attack this username. We'll attack the username, then we'll see what's popping. First, we set your attack type to sniper. Then, what's the target? This is the target, obviously. So now we want to set payload. So we want to attack just the username, right? So we'll come here, then we highlight this, then we have highlighted everything. Then you add this guy. Yes. Now you see this double S here is like the dollar sign. It's like a what? A dollar sign. The dollar sign is what? It's trying to tell you that you've already set this guy as the payload. You set it as the payload. So after doing that, you come to your payload's position, payload position or payload type. You have simple list. So under payload configuration, we are going to paste the what do we paste? We'll go back. Let's go back. Come here. Candidate name. Candidate username, sorry, not candidate. Candidate username. We'll carry it. Candidate username. We'll copy it. We'll now paste it. Please it's taking time to load. Get now, one mistake you may make is if you come here now and you set payload on these two guys, please don't do that. Don't do automatic payload setup. Just do it yourself. Set payload on this one, and after you've set payload for this one, you observe the length of the column. That there's something that is length there. You're going to observe it. That's when it starts doing this stuff. But when you observe it, one of them will be different. That one that is different, you're going to write that one down. Don't go and write my password and my this thing down thinking it's going to work for you. But this port switch may not work for you. So now you observe it, the length. You see one will give you a different response. That one will give you a different response. You take note of it. Now when you are done with that one, you now come and clear this place. You come to this your intruder again. You clear it. You clear this payload for this guy. You are going to set payload for this password. To do both of them at the same time, and you want to do like it's not the sniper attack this time. Sniper attack this time around. It's going to be like cluster bomb. Let me show you the different types that we have. We have sniper attack, we have battery ram, we have pitchfork, we have cluster bomb. So you can use what cluster bomb. That's when you have multiple like payloads here. But this time around, we want to deal with one, then we deal with the other one. Let's go back. This guy should have done now. I'm wasting time. Oh my goodness! Can someone tell me why this thing is loading forever? Can someone tell me why this thing is loading forever? Anybody? If I lack more. If I lack more. Unmute your mic and speak.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Yeah, your intercept is on.
Thank you. Thank you. Intercept is on. Can you imagine? I'll be waiting for it since. What do we do? Okay, see what we are going to do. I'll go and copy it from another place. I'll copy it from this guy here. Come here. Candidate username. I'll copy it from here. You know, his username want to brute force now. I'll come here. Sorry. Carlos, I'll copy it. Copy. Then I come back to my Chromium. That's my Chromium browser. I come here. No, it's not what I need. Can you close this guy? Then what am I working on? Okay, my Bob intruder, right? I come to my payload configuration. I come to this payload configuration. I click on paste. Have you seen it has pasted all those things that I copied? That's pasted all those things that I copied. Payload count 101, request count 101. That's 101 entries that are here. If I want to add more, I can add more. If I want to add from a list, I can add from a list. But it's telling me pro version only, that versional listing. So payload processing, leave this one for now. That's if you want to set rules. So after we've done all these simple things, then what do? We start attack. Start attack. You observe something. Current edition of Bob Suits contains a demo version of Bob Intruder. Some functionality is disabled and attacks are tiny throttle. Please don't bother about it. Just do what we ask you to do. Now, everyone, please look at this. Status code is giving us 200 for everything here. 200 for everything, right? There are 101 entries. This 23 out of 101. So it's going to reach 101. But what can we observe? Status code, success, response. Let's make this in longer. Let's know. Response received. That's the time that it used to receive the response. These are the times that it used to receive the response. So we don't really need this. We can take away this guy now. Error is not giving us any error. Timer is not giving us any timeout. Now length. This is the juicy part. Length. The length is what? 3248. Let's keep going. 3248. Let's keep going. 3248. By the time you notice one that is different, you just spot it out. 3248. It's still 3248. Or let's wait till it finishes. When it finishes, then we now check it. This same process I've done, that's exactly what I'm going to repeat for passwords. That's exactly what I will repeat for passwords. Then you will now see what the username and the password. Let's keep going. If we can spot it out, we can just stop this process. Let's make this screen bigger. Still 3248, 3248. 3248 all along. My network is actually sweet today. So if you are not hearing me well, maybe it's most likely going to be from your end. 62 out of 101. Let's just wait for it to finish up. So after this, somebody will just have to note down the username it was able to capture for us. Still the same. All true. So what we just want to observe is a different reaction. For the status code, we can see this thing. For the response time from the server, we can see the different response times. That's not what we're going to use to detect. From the length, it's the length that we're going to use to detect anyone that is different, significantly different. That is our guy. Should have spotted it out now. I've not still spotted it out. 92. So let's 97, 98, and 9, then 100 and whatever. Now let's check it for the last time. 101. That's finished. Now let's check it for the last time. So we are looking at the length. 3248.
I've seen it, sir. So this is it. 3250. See 3250 here. Hey, you have gone back. Go up. This is it. Under response 23. Go up a bit.
I'm not seeing anything.
I saw it. No.
That 3250 safe is not. I don't really like that length. And I was looking for something that will be. No. It's fine. We just need something that is different. It's cool, Sha. It's cool. Let's look for. Okay, Control F. Control F work here. Control F is not working here. I want to see if I can search for that 3250. You should have let me check the number now or the.
I wanted to check before you.
This is the beginning.
Yeah. This is. I leave it there. This is under response 232. 232. Yeah.
Calm down. We are not catching rats. Okay, so take note of it. That's the username. Test, right? Test is the username. Is that done? Done? Are you the one talking? I can't really. Are you the one talking?
Yes, sir. It's me, sir.
Okay, good. Please take note of that in test. So we are going to go back there. We are going to close this guy. Then we'll go back there. We'll go back to our this thing. So I will close this guy. I'll close this. Do you want to save this attack? No. Discard. Tests. Please take note of it. Tests. If there to be like normal this thing, would have used this. So now see what we're going to do. We'll clear it. We'll clear the payload. Are you sure you want to clear all payload position? Yes, clear everything. So what do you do again? We want to add payload, but this time around we're going to highlight the password field. Then what? We add payload. Can you see? No. It didn't do. Clear it, please clear. It didn't do it well. Why I'm saying it didn't do it well is that it did not copy everything I put there. So I will clear all. So I'll come again. I will add. Can you see? Now, if you look at it very well, the dollar sign is starting before 1 and is ending after 5. Remember what I put there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is what I put there. Right? So we'll do the same thing. All payload position is only one I choose, yeah. The only one I choose. So all payload position is just this password position. Payload type, simple list. Payload count is saying 101, but no, this is not what we're going to use. Let's go back to our this guy. This guy. I didn't open it in a new page. Oh. I want to copy the password list now. I want to copy the password list. I'll come here. This is the guy. I'll come here. Passwords. I'll copy everything that we have here. Exactly the same process. Exactly the same process. Control C. I come to my Chromium. Sorry, my Bob rather. I come to my Bob. I would let me clear everything I say. Clear. I've cleared everything I say. I will now paste the new one that I have. Can you see? This one is what 100 entries. Without wasting much of our time, we start the attack. Yes, we've had. Thank you. So we start the attack. The same thing that we did here. We are going to just notice. We are going to observe the change in the length. By the time you see a change in the length, then we are good to go. If you remember, there's no commenter, there's no this thing. We didn't set. There's also something for pillow press. There's an additional setting that we could set if we want to. But for the sake of this class, which we are just taking the basics of it, we didn't set anything. So this is how it can be done simply. So we just wait a bit. It finishes, then we observe. Let me even see if you don't see it. It's not yet done. It's still reading it. It's on 80 now. It's on 87. Today is Saturday. Oh, 99. I think that's finished now. It's going to finish now. 100. 100 that's finished. So now let's go through, please. Done. Let's see your eyes sharp past my. Let me observe. Let's start from the beginning. Hey, my phone. Let's start from the beginning. 3, 2, 4, 8. Please check anyone that has a different length. That's what we are observing. Don, please, are you there?
Yes, I'm with you. I'm observing.
Okay, thank you. Fire emoji. I did not spot anyone that is different. Anybody?
Yeah, so
Let's check it. Let's check it again. Yeah, same here. You guys spot too because this
I don't
stuff
know why
is
my
not.
distance is kind of blurry. It goes blurry, comes clear. It goes blurry, comes. I don't know why it's like that.
It's your network. Network makes it. Do like that. So I'm using this thing for it. I'm using that blue line to check one after the other. The moment I notice anyone that is different. This is serious. Something must be wrong. Ah,
Yeah, all the same from here. I don't know. I was not able to spot anyone that is different.
it's not meant to be like that. It's not meant to be like that. One should be different. Oh my goodness. Is anything wrong? Let's check it again, please. Maybe there's something we didn't. So, password. Set the payload. Okay. Simple list. Then the start attack. My laptop is very low now. Let's start the attack. Let's see if it's going to allow us to run this attack again. No, let's check it. This thing should not. One should be different. Let's check it again. This is not good. Let's see if it's going to allow me to run it again. Let's see if my battery would allow me to run it again. I posted the password list now. Let me clear this thing. Let me set the payload again. Set the payload again. The passwords are here. To Moscow. To Moscow here. So I go back here. Then I start the attack again. I don't really have much time, so I'll just let me close this one. Then I'm going to follow this one as it is doing. I'll just follow it. It's 3248. Let's check again. Also, we can pay attention to the 38. Can pay attention to the status code also. Okay, wait. No. Okay, let's stop this attack, please. There's something I just remembered. I'll stop this attack. I just remembered something now. You know, the way this, I don't know the mechanism of this site, but it could be built this way. The site could be built this way. This card. The site could be built this way. So we are going to, it could be that it's going to test for username and it's going to test for password. So we are going to change the username to test. We'll change the username to test. TEST. Then for the password, yes, we still have this. So the idea that possibly is checking the username then before checking the password. So now let's start attack with what we've done already. We start attack. Wait, sorry. This is not what I need. Close. So now, this is not the password. Is this the password list? Okay, this is the password list. So we are going to start attack with this correct username, but this password is wrong. We already know the username now. We don't know the password. Now we'll start attack with this correct username, but a wrong password. Okay. So please take note of the status code. That's the response is giving you. Take note of the length. So we have 200 status code. We have length 3250. So we can now take note of everything. So this, but my laptop battery is very low, so we need to just follow it one after the other to see anyone that is what's different. Please, looking at both the status code and the length, anything that gives us something different, we go with it. We've not seen anything different yet. The moment we are able to spot it, we have to now put off our intercept. We'll now log in with the identified username and the password. Oh my goodness. So we spot the username and the password, then we log in with it.